Hey, we're testing the CT-580 TOPTES carbon monoxide detector. Let me just show you how cool this thing is. It goes through the process of testing all the different limits here, and then we'll go ahead and test it on an actual exhaust to show you that this thing works really good. Okay, you can see the limits. It's alarming. We're at the exhaust, so it's going high right now. And so it's telling us, it's got a red light, and it's telling us that the levels are high. As we pull this away, so one of the last cool features on this is the flashlight. So it's got a flashlight on it to, if you're in a dark place.